Okay, here I am with the Firefly puppies. And it's dinner time, so they're not too happy that they're here doing the video. They'd rather be eating. It's also really hot. It's really hot, huh? It's really hot. Okay, come here. Now this is a boy right here. So I'm just going to blast through this pretty quick. This is a really nice boy. Right here. Cass, come on. Yeah, hi pretty thing. Yeah, I know, it's kind of hot on. Oh, I gotta put you out, or I'm gonna lose track of who's who. There's a boy. This is another boy here. Hi, little buddy. Stand right there. Yeah, I hear you. Just relax, boy. I know, oh, it's a long ways down up here, huh? Hello. It's okay, bub. It's okay. Okay, this is actually our first time out and about. Having a bath. You had a bath today? Okay. Down you go. So there's two boys. This is a girl, I think. Hi, girl. Where are you? It's kind of hot in there, huh? Where? This is a girl. Hi, girl. Hello, girl. How are you? So pretty. Look at that pretty thing you are. Girl. What are you? I just went through three. This is a little boy. Wait, little buddy. Oh, yeah. The light in here is fluorescent and it's evening, so it's really hard to show their true shades. I'll try to do another one tomorrow, but things are just so crazy busy around here. It's really hard. There's the Firefly in the background. Firefly! Touching your head. Remember that? That was pretty funny. Can't do it very well though. Touching your head. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so anyways, this is a little boy. And then, come on. Come along. Who are you? You're a girl. I know it's kind of hot in here, huh? I'm real sorry about that. Fortunately, with the new tiered electrical rates, they really sketch you on the bill out here. Got my first $400 bill. Yeah, so we're gonna suck it up, huh? We're gonna suck it up. You're very pretty. Look at that face. Such a pretty girl. Okay. What else do we have? We got this one over here. This has a little deeper color. Just like a little girl. Wow. I'm gonna keep one of these girls for myself. Look at that cute face. You're very pretty. Say hi. This is a princess. Yeah, princess. Oh, yeah. Such a nice thing you are, huh? Okay, down you go. Yeah, you're the princess, huh? You're like, where's my attention? Okay. And then the last one of the 7th. This is who? Who are you? It's a little boy. Yeah, little boy. Hello, little boy. How are you? Very awful yellow light. Somewhere there's a true color, but I'm not seeing it yet. Maybe somewhere. Not quite that yellow. Anyway, so here's a boy. Girl. Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna set this here. A boy and a girl. Hi, girl. Okay, there's another girl wants to take a nap. You know, guys, know it's time for dinner. Girl, little girl, actually. So the boy's kind of big. And the girl. 2 girls, 1 boy. Hi, guys. Look at that. Very good. You guys just stay right there, okay? See, they're already trained. This is a bigger girl. Yep, they can sing and dance. Yes, they can. They flush. This is a girl. Come on in, just squeeze right in there. Oh, that's a girl. Oh, everybody's being so good. Here comes a boy. Yeah, off you go. This is a boy right here. He's gonna lay down over there. And the last boy is right here. Come here. Come on, last boy. There's the last boy. Oh, everybody split on me. Darn. Hey, I didn't say the party was over. This is the last boy that I brought. So that's all of the puppies. There's 7 here. Actually, we got a pretty good review of them. I'll just blast through them one more time here. Hi, guys. Well, overview style. There they are. Overview. Overview. Oh, look at them all. Look at all the buddies. And then there's 2 over here being like, hanging out on their own. What do you think? You little independent thinkers? Hi. So, here's one. There's another. Oh, okay. That's probably it for now. This is the Firefly crew. Good night.